Senators Kirsten Gillibrand and Chuck Schumer recently announced more than $11 million in federal funding that's going to be going towards early Head Start programs across the Empire State. One of 6 programs getting part of that money is based in Chautauqua County. And our Washington correspondent Rachel Knapp explains how this money will help hundreds of families.
Childcare is one of the critical pieces to allow families to be at work.
Bill Vogt, the Head Start director with Chautauqua Opportunities, says they help about 360 families every year in the community.
Providing care for children aged from 6 weeks to 5 years old. We offer childcare services from 7 in the morning until 5 in the evening. And we also partner with 3 of our local school districts for their UPK program.
Recently, New York Senators Chuck Schumer and Kirsten Gillibrand announced part of an $11 million federal grant is headed to Chautauqua Opportunities. The senators say the funding comes from the Department of Health and Human Services, and it will be used to provide comprehensive early childhood education and support services to low-income children and families. Vogt says this is a renewal of their Head Start grant, a huge help for their program.
This grant is going to allow us to continue a partnership with one of the local daycare centers that actually expands the services to an additional 80 families. And so we're very excited by that. Childcare is hugely expensive in New York. And if you have even just one child in care, it can make the difference between whether or not you should even work or not because of how expensive it can be. The average cost of care in Chautauqua County is over $200 a week for an infant. So this allows us to provide free and low-cost childcare to low-income families that are working.
In Washington, D.C., Rachel Knapp reporting.